Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, first of all, I want to say thank you to those of you who have been praying and who have sent well wishes and warm words to me since you heard that my house was broken into. Now, I have to tell you, this is not the first time that my laptop has been stolen. In fact, it's not the first time that my house has been broken into. It's the first time that this house has been broken into. But when I was living in Costa Rica back in 2006, they came with guns and they came while I was in the house. So, yeah, we have walked this road before to some extent. And so there is some amount of excitement to watch and see what God will do. Yeah? So now, today, I am not going to, I was going to tell you that the story that I'm talking about of when they came to my house with guns, it is all written in the book God Incidences, a Jamaican woman's journeys with God. And one of these days, I am planning to read a portion of that so that you who are following me will get a glimpse of what God was doing in my life at that time. So, yeah, you're going to need to go on Amazon and look for that book. It is God Incidences, a Jamaican woman's journeys with God. But in the meantime, bigger story from the book of Mark, chapter 9. So it's Mark chapter 9 from verse 2 to verse 8. After 6 days, Jesus take Peter, James, and John with him. And the four of them one go up on one high mountain. All of a sudden, Jesus start change right in front of them. Him clothes turn white like a light. It did well white. No bleach in the world couldn't bleach them white so. Then they see Elijah and Moses come turn up in front of him and talk to him. So Peter said to Jesus, Teacher, a good thing say we did there. Make we build up 3 sheds, no? One for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah. Because they did so frightened. He never know what to say. Then one cloud come down, come cover them up. And them hear somebody voice in the cloud say, a fi me boy pick me this. Uno fi listen when say. Them turn round fi look same time. But when them look, they no see nobody. Only them and Jesus. One. A God word this. Thank God